Welcome. My name is Ikani Samuel. Are you passionate about electronics and appliances? Do you find yourself constantly seeking tips, guides, and tutorials to make the most of your electronics? Well, you have come to the right place. Here I'm dedicated to providing you all the tips, guides, and tutorials you need to become the master of your own electronic domain. Whether you're a gadget guru or simply someone who wants to make the most of their electronics home appliances, I got you covered. Ever struggle with setting up a new smart home device? Want to learn how to troubleshoot common issues with your electronics? Or perhaps you are curious about the latest trend and innovation in the world of tech? Whatever it is, I'm here to help. From in-depth tutorial on setting up and optimizing your smart appliances to guide on choosing the right electronics for your needs, I got the answer to all your burning questions. Our goal is to empower you with the skill and knowledge to make the most of your electronics and appliances. But hey, we are not just about the technical stuff. We are all about creating a community of like-minded individuals who share passion for all things electronics, from tech review to DIY projects and even discussion about the latest industry trend, and I want to engage you with every step of the way. This channel is your go-to destination of insightful, practical, and entertaining content that will take your electronic experience to the next level. So, whether you're a seasoned tech aficionado or someone who just embarking on their electronic journey, this is your trusted channel. From the basics to the advanced, we got something for everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of electronic enthusiasts. Together, let's dive into the exciting world of electronics and appliances. Welcome to Ikani Samuel, your ultimate destination for tips, guides, and tutorials.